Hey, it's Mr. Shrum, and I am here to finish up the mitosis and meiosis tutorial. And we left off after talking about cell division, talked about mitosis and meiosis, why those two are different, how they can be used by organisms. And now we're going to look at alternation and how that affects generations. Let's go back. So alternation of generations. Humans exist in diploid forms throughout their lives. The only haploid stage in humans occurs in the form of sperm and eggs, which are single cells. Plants, however, have a multicellular stage that's haploid and a multicellular stage that's diploid. And the transition, between the two stages is called alternation of generations. The plant life cycle segregates into two generations: the sporophyte, which is a diploid state, and the gametophyte, which is a haploid state. The sporophyte is a mature plant that produces haploid spores, and those spores are the gametophytes, which produce gametes. And the fusion of gametes creates a diploid zygote, which results in a sporophyte. So you see this very cyclical nature. And in most cases, the gametophyte generation is present in a reduced form. Ferns, however, have a unique life cycle. The sporophyte, and the gametophyte generations of ferns are separate structures that can survive on their own. The life cycle of a fern. So we're going to look at a fern. Fertilization. During fertilization, the haploid fern gametes fuse together to form a diploid zygote. The zygote divides mitotically to form a new sporophyte. In this phase of the life cycle, the fern transitions from the gametophyte generation to the sporophyte generation. You can see that here. After fertilization, we have the formation of sporangium. The newly formed sporophyte grows to form a mature sporophyte. Beneath its leaves, the sporophyte has special structures called sporangia. Each of those produces haploid spores through meiosis. In this phase of the life cycle, the fern transitions from the sporophyte generation to the gametophyte generation. You can see that here. And then we have the formation of the gametes. The spores result in a haploid multicellular structure called the gametophyte. The gametophyte consists of the sperm and the egg. So it's a hermaphrodite structure. The sperm develops in a structure called the antheridium, while the egg develops in the archegonium. After the fertilization of an egg by a sperm, a new diploid zygote forms, beginning a whole new cycle. And you can see that here. All right. So another question answer, yeah. What similarities, if any, do you think exists between a human's reproductive cycle and the life cycle of a fern? What are the differences, if any, can you think of? And in the sample answer we have, the similarity between ferns and humans is that both go through meiosis and mitosis. But ferns are different because they have multicellular, free-living haploid and diploid forms. In humans, the haploid stage exists in the form of single cells, sperm, and eggs. Only the diploid stage that begins with a zygote grows mitotically to form a multicellular, free-living human being. And yeah, excellent sample answer. And then that's it. We have the summary. So congratulations on getting through mitosis and meiosis. Go take that mastery test. And if you're all caught up, that's the end of our semester work. And then you're off next week. So good luck with everything and relax, get some rest, and then I will see you all later. Bye-bye.